Got some new aero parts today for the GT3 RS. So pretty shocked at how cheap all the parts were. It was like under 300 bucks. We're gonna put them on and see if it, you know, how it looks. And I won't be able to tell, obviously, tell the track time, but it's gonna look pretty sweet. We'll see if it, you know, if it works. Here's our checklist.
Explain to them, Chuck.
The look to links.
Oh wait, that's this. The look to links.
Yeah, it is. The look to 6 to fastener. That means fastener. That might be the screw. Yeah. You have a 50-50 shot. Shaftemutter. It's like a snap.
Shaft.
You want the list of parts? They're the lift.
That will help you put it on for sure.
They look very insignificant once you see them next to all these other pieces. Oh no, this is in the back.
Oh, that would be the door. Back.
These are so these are all the front ones. Get for two, you know what I mean? Like there's no instructions on it. Just the way I look at that is like you should just bolt in.
It seems.
Yeah. Like, I mean, I don't want to hack a GT3 RS.
I would hack these things up if you can before I hack the car up.
Right.
Like you just have to carve these out, right?
I'll bet there's a different one.
But let's see what other parts. Maybe they're not all.
I mean, this part is this.
Hey, what about that part? Maybe I can put that on. Just leave this.
What would be like?
And then leave that stock. No, like stock piece in here. Like,
or does it go from here to?
No.
No, I did it right.
Oh, I think you're still going to be hitting on all this because look at how much of this. It's like this is hitting.
Yeah.
Even if you cut these ribs out, it's still going to hit like up here.
We're out engineering the Porsche people right now, right? I think we use one of those. Well, I don't have to take it off. Yeah, it actually fits in there too.
Yeah, no, this works.
Definitely made. You can tell it was designed like to fit in there.
Yeah.
Most of those other places that they copy these in carbon fiber and then they just say replace those.
You paid 21 grand for that S2000 with the big wing on the back? 21 grand. Does it run?
It does run sometimes.
Oh, that's good.
No, I paid $21,000 for this car.
Yeah.
No,
you're gonna pay less than 21,000. You're actually gonna pay.
Actually, I'll probably make money.
Yeah.
You're gonna lose money.
You're gonna end up paying more for that S2000 than Chuck will net out of this.
We've this also requires like a $270,000 loan to start.
Whoa. Your heart's there. I'm very proud of you.
It was there.
Is it still there?
No.
It hasn't moved in 4 months.
Yeah. I think we need to cue into that car and let the viewers make the decision, sell or keep.
The rims are sick, and the camber on that car is outstanding. The camber is insane.
The camber needs to go.
Does it drop?
It's on the frame right now because it drops. It dropped and never went back up.
Nothing like an S2000 dropped, because that's what that car was meant to be.
It's turboed. It's dropped. What else do you want?
It's a VTEC. VTEC, right?
VTEC hits, it'll blow your socks off.
Yeah. Or 21K.
21K, better, right?
21K. And you're gonna lose at least 10 grand when you sell it.
I don't think I will.
You think you could sell it?
When it runs.
Someone else would be out there buying it?
When it runs. For sure.
Alright, this vlog has left the Porsche and going to the S21,000. Let's go look at it.
Let's go check out my S2100. It's not gonna run. The battery's 100% dead, and it's got a brand new battery in it. That was the last thing I did was put a battery in it. Somebody's gonna be like, why are you just letting this rot out here? Ooh. Ooh. Look at that Ren Goku plate. I had a Bronco, oh yeah, you can see. The battery's dead. I had a Bronco before this, and I shouldn't have sold the Bronco. There it is.
Oh, wow.
But like, I mean, it's a cool car, right?
It's neat.
You got a big top mount Garrett on there? I think that's a Garrett. Yeah. Yeah. What else do you want? The problem here is this.
That's a hell of a stance right there.
It's stance. I mean, you got about an inch. It's supposed to go up, but it doesn't do that anymore. That's an example. It's gonna come off. We'll take this off. This isn't staying on here, but you know,
I like the zebra.
sticker says it all. Yeah, like get a shot of that. See, just all torn apart. There's nothing good left in it. You guys gotta talk me out of these decisions sometimes, all right? I know it's Monday, but as we say in the business, that's a Monday project.
Is this the next purchase right here?
This is the other car I own. That's my daily. This is a 2009.
This is not a 2009.
2005, 4,
There's
2000. I don't know. It has some rust, but it's
does it run?
yeah. The guy drove it here. Honestly, it's a beater with a heater, and nothing more, nothing less. Just buy a new car next time. No more old pieces of shit. Needs about $8 grand to make it good.